I picked up your shirts this morning. I don't know why. I don't know why. Mr. Reynolds had to say hello. I started to cry. I started to cry. Every place we ever walked and everywhere we talked, I miss you. You never leave my mind. So much of you is left behind. You took my days with you. Took my nights with you. These unfinished conversations we used to have still speak to me, and I've written letters every day that I'll never send, and you'll never see. All this wishful thinking gets me nowhere. I can stay, though my heart is broken. It keeps breaking every day. You took my hopes with you. Took my dreams with you. I keep thinking that you'll be coming. Everyone says that it's all in my head, and I can't accept it yet. I'm not ready to just give in. I know that I can't live in this pain with these feelings of regret. All this wishful thinking gets me nowhere. I can stay, though my heart is breaking. It keeps breaking every day. You took my life with you. Took my world with you.